Feel like you can't rely on Santa to get the job done? With Supercheap Auto, you've got this. These top 5 Christmas gift DIYs will make a super Santa of anyone. Let's jump into it with Gift 1. Car interior made super. Gift 1 includes seat and steering wheel covers, the automotive version of socks and jocks. And if you gifted a set for Christmas last year, they're probably due to be changed for some new and exciting designs. From floor mats to windscreen shades or something to sip during the journey, there are plenty of ways to add a touch of super to their car. Take this gift to the next level and fit these accessories for them. Just pop out to the garage while the receiver is distracted, not through the chimney. The front door will do. Buying for a four-wheel driver? Gift number 2 is the one for you. Give the gift of shade with a 270-degree awning for those summertime beach adventures. If you're feeling handy with a spanner, all it takes is 2 brackets and 8 bolts to fit the awning to an existing roof rack. If you're feeling super generous, you can tackle the whole fit out. A pantry, drawers, a fridge, and something to power it. Your third gift is a workshop fit out. How about some brand new shelving? Build it yourself and tidy up a little. Just don't throw anything out. Some new screwdrivers or an entire toolkit will stay organised in their blow mould cases and are easily moved between jobs. And if their dream of a tool chest is a little too lofty, a 2-drawer mini tool chest will at least get them started. Now let's see what's wrapped up for the tech lovers this Christmas. It's hard to go wrong with a dash camera. The more features, the better. Or step it up a notch with a smart display. Phone integration, dash camera and reverse camera all rolled into one. A dash camera is super easy to install yourself if you're looking to add that extra special touch. Just check out our full DIY guide. If the recipient of your gift is the home improvement techie type, a security kit from EUFY will really make their day. Half the fun is installing this, so point them to our full DIY guide and watch them disappear to tinker for a few hours. Our 5th and final gift is the do-it-yourself stocking. At Supercheap Auto, we've stocked up on super stocking stuffers for everyone. There's something for the gamer and something for the tradie. Something to make it look super, smell super, and feel super. There's something for the Ford fans, the Holden fans, and even something for the Bundy fans, and plenty of toys to keep the kids happy. Give dear old Santa the year off and make Supercheap Auto your Christmas gifting destination. Find detailed instructions and more ways to make it super with Supercheap Auto's super DIYs. Make it super at Supercheap Auto.